enjoy! Little sailors, get ready to set sail on an artistic voyage as we learn how to draw and color a fantastic boat using shapes. It's going to be a boatload of fun! So grab your art supplies, and let's dive right in! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Draw a big semicircle to form the base of our boat. Imagine it as the sturdy hull. Now draw a rectangle on top of the semicircle to create the cabin of the boat. This is where our sailors will stay cozy. Let's add some windows to our cabin. Draw 3 circles inside the rectangle. These are the windows that will let in the sunlight and sea breeze. On top of the cabin, draw another rectangle, but make this one slightly smaller. This will be the roof of the cabin. Now let's add 2 rectangular shapes on top of the small roof. These are the chimneys of our boat. To give our boat a playful touch, draw a tube-like shape on one side. This will be the fun slide for our little sailors. Now that we've got our boat outlined, and don't forget the water. Draw 2 wavy lines underneath the boat to represent the shimmering sea. Let's make it come to life with colors. Blue. Yellow. Red. Pink. Green. Orange. Blue. Shades of purple and blue. And there you have it, little sailors. We've created a vibrant boat masterpiece using shapes and colors. I hope you enjoyed this artistic voyage. Don't forget to share your fantastic boat artwork with us. We'd love to see your colorful creations. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.